as you can see, I already have my bald cap on. If you guys want a detailed video on how I do my bald cap method, comment down below, and your wish is my command. Like always, before we start the installation process, I'm going to show you guys what the wig looks like when it comes out of the box and what other goodies comes in your package. So let's go ahead and pull out the box. This video is sponsored by Wequeen. This is your box. Really cute, really sleek. Love this matte look. Y'all know I am a sucker for packaging. If it has good packaging, that's one of the good signs, okay? So let's go ahead and open this box up. Right when you open your box, you see the wig. I'm gonna show you guys a detailed view. This is the real deal, guys. Up close, the detail is gorgeous. Before we go into detail about the wig and the construction, I want to show you guys the other goodies that come in your package. Included in your package is this Wequeen bag. I absolutely adore when companies send these bags because now that I'm starting to wear wigs, I'm noticing that I only have one wig head and I have more than one wig. So this bag definitely comes in clutch in regards to organizing all of the wigs. If you're like me, you have multiple wigs. Another thing that comes in your box that I haven't seen many companies do is this jewelry kit. Most people, when they get their braids, they want to design them, add the jewels and the little beads and things like that, and Wequeen gives you an entire package full of different beads. So I'm going to give you guys a little close-up of what this looks like. As you can see, you have beads, you have the little spirals and the little ribbons if you wanted, the little clips that are really popular, and I also see some jewels down here. This is saving you a good $5 to $10 depending on where you go and get your jewelry. I did reach out to Wequeen and ask them if this came with all of their wigs. This does come with all of their braided wigs. So if you are like me and you like to add jewelry and like spice it up a bit, you want to give it a little bit of dimension, this comes in clutch. I'm actually so excited to do this. I only normally do these little clips right here, but now that I have like the ribbons and even the beads, I'm taking this to a whole new level. Y'all gonna be sick of me because I'm gonna be jeweled up, okay? And last but not least, in your packaging there will be this little thank you card as well as hair care instructions just to tell you how to care and cleanse your braids. And of course, y'all know how I am about packaging. I love how they line the box with like this satin finish. I love packaging. I literally love it. And although these wigs are already affordable, if you wait until the end of the video, I will sporadically throw a discount code out there for you guys. So if you decide to purchase, you can get a couple bucks off of your purchase. Now for the moment you guys have been waiting for, let's get to installing. The wig comes with this little mesh net to protect all of the braids. The wig is a 13 by 5 knotless braided wig with a side part, and it is 28 inches. So you guys can only imagine how long this is gonna be on me. I'm about 5'2", so I will stand up at the end of the video and show you guys where it falls on me. Here is a close-up look at the parting. Look at this detail, guys. Like, I literally cannot believe that we have come to this. I'm just so shook. You guys know I have just started wearing wigs, so I'm still on like closures and stuff, but this is advanced. As you can see, they did leave out baby hairs for you just to make it more natural. I am going to keep the baby hairs on. Y'all know I naturally don't have baby hair, so any chance I get to dress up some baby hairs, okay, some baby hairs, y'all know I am going to go all out. And they leave you a good amount of hair. I was a little scared that when it said they were gonna have baby hairs, that they were gonna leave like little strands of hair, or it was gonna be too thick to where you'd have to pluck it. But there's really no reason for you to not be able to work with these. This is the perfect volume for what baby hair should look like. So I am so excited for that. There are 2 combs on the side, and let's check and see if there's a comb in the back. Yep, there's a comb in the back along with an adjustable strap, which I will be adjusting depending on what this looks like when I put this on. I'm going to put the same makeup that I put on my bald cap on the lace in the front. As you can see, the back is fabric, but the front is lace. It's transparent lace with a kind of brown undertone. So I just want to make sure that it's going to blend in with my cap. So what I'm going to do is put this Ruby Kiss cream foundation in the color RDF 14 on the wig lace, which is the same color I put on my wig cap. Now that I have put my makeup on the lace, I am going to put the wig on. So okay guys, so I've finally gotten the wig on. I am impressed. Like, it's already giving scalp. This is an up close view of the wig. You can see the baby hairs. Look at the detail on this wig, guys. Like, it literally looks like my scalp. This is a view from the back. It still looks like it's coming from your scalp. Baby, this is giving scalp. Like, and I don't even have it all the way applied yet. So this definitely can go glueless. And I actually am going to apply this glueless just so you guys can see how it turns out. If you don't want to put Ghost Bond or those harsh chemicals on your forehead or on your hairline, I am going to go in with Got To Be glue and the black Got To Be gel. So now that I have it on, I'm going to move you guys so that you can get a better look at what I'm doing up here. Alright guys, so as you can see, I do have a little bit of buildup because I forgot to take off my makeup, but we're still good. This thing, oh yeah, she's on there. She's on there. We are still in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the lace in 3, like slit it twice. I'm going to let you guys come up closer to see me cut the lace. Now that I have cut the tabs off, I am going to focus on cutting the lace, and then we're gonna get into the baby hairs. Okay. So let me go ahead and get the little scissors. Where did I put my scissors at? I'm always losing stuff. Alright guys, so I got these little scissors and they're gonna help me get a precise cut. I'm gonna move you guys back to make sure that I can get this. I'm gonna fold it back a little bit just to make sure I get all the lace off. I get so scared that I'm gonna like cut myself. Okay, so we got all the lace off, guys. We did it. We made it here. Now I'm going to focus on securing this side right here because some of it did come off. So I'm just gonna glue that back down and then put some more Got To Be over some of the flaps that look a little too crispy. And then we can focus on these baby hairs. So we have the wig on. She is secure. Now what I'm going to do is take these little alcohol prep pads that I got from my first aid kit. Don't judge. And I'm going to clean the hairline a little bit just to make sure that I have maximum area to work with these edges, child. All right, so let's see what we're working with in the edge department. I've never had this much edges, so I kind of don't even know how I want to style them. This is like a big deal. But I also don't want to do too much because people who know me are gonna be like, girl, like, you got edges overnight? Like, no. So I think what I'm gonna do is, although the hair is parted this way, I have a widow's peak. So I think I'm gonna do like an edge here. No, I don't want to do an edge there. Dang it, how do I want to do these? Doing your edges is art, and you have to really strategically think about how you're going to lay your edges if you want to slay. Okay, okay. So I'll do an edge like right here because that's normally where my edges are. Right here, and then one like back there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these hands and kind of pull them out. Yep, we're pulling edges out here, and then lay these bad boys. So I'm gonna take some edge booster and kind of play around with them. I would use mousse, but I'm scared that because mousse has water in it, it's going to make my wig lift. Where they do that at Kirsten Tails. Okay. Shuckin' duckin' now. We looking real cute. It's the little things that matter, guys. This is how we're gonna make this believable. It literally looks like I went and got my hair braided at the salon, guys. Like, tell me it doesn't look like I just sat 8 hours in a salon chair. Just to make sure that it looks as realistic as possible, I'm gonna go back in with that Ruby Kiss, and I'm gonna take a small brush as such and go through each part and kind of just make sure we emphasize so you don't see any of the knots. Tell me this doesn't look cute. Like, tell me. You can't. You literally can't. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you in a second. I'm going to decorate them with some of the charms that Wequeen included in our package, and then that is gonna be it for today's video. So give me a little second. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I am in love with this wig, y'all. Like, I do not think I'm gonna take this off for a while. Y'all are gonna be tired of me because y'all gonna see me in this little wig. It's so nice, and I didn't even have to sit in a chair for 8 hours to get it done. Like, this is it for me. Okay, I did add a little cross on my forehead because I think it's literally just the cutest thing ever, and it adds the perfect touch to the style. And another thing that I love about these braids is that they're so lightweight. So A+ for Wequeen. If you ever thought about getting a braided wig, or if you're a short-haired girl like me and you want a protective style that doesn't require them pulling every strand of your hair into a little braid, then this is for you guys. If you guys love this wig just as much as I do, please don't forget that all the information for this wig will be down in the description box below, as well as a code for 15% off. You're welcome. You can use code Kirsten for 15% off on your purchase of any wig on the website, but of course get the same wig as me so we can be twins. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell next to my name so you can see the next time I post. Bye!